To use action icon feature to call a number on an handwriting note on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, first you have to make sure that the action icon option on the Note app is on. To do so, open Samsung Note app, tap the three horizontal line icon at the top left, and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen. Under Advanced section, tap the gray on offset next to action icons until the switch turns orange to turn it on. To see how this feature works, tap the back key. Open your handwritten note where the number you like to call is on. Remove your S Pen. Tap the read only mode at the top of the note to view the note in read only mode. Now hover your S Pen above the phone number and then tap call icon to place a call to the phone number. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.